This listing brought to you by the Elson team at Remax Ability Plus. Why wait to build when you can have this 3-year-old Fischer Homes Redwood floor plan on a cul-de-sac lot in beautiful Woodhaven neighborhood? Featuring private first floor office, formal living room that could be used as a formal dining room and mini ceilings on first floor. The open kitchen has center island, stainless appliances, 42 cabinets, granite countertops, pantry and walkout bay breakfast room overlooking the large family room. Upstairs is the owner's retreat west/deluxe bath and walk-in closet along with 3 additional bedrooms with walk-in closets, separate laundry room and a 23 by 13 loft perfect for so many uses. Expanded 2-car garage west/opener, keyless entry and service door. You'll want to see this well-maintained home in popular Mt Vernon schools.